What is the difference between the single slash and double slash? Huh? What is the difference between single slash and double slash? Boys, what is the single slash and double slash? Huh? Just I discussed yesterday. Single slash is represent, double slash is represent. Okay. See guys, we are able to write the XPath in different ways. The syntax of the XPath tag name, the syntax of the XPath tag name, you guys are, when you guys are inspect the element inside of the DOM, tag name is there. You need to provide @ is routine, and after that you need to provide attribute equals to within the single code value. This is the process syntax of the XPath. Syntax of the XPath. If you want to write the XPath, this is the process. By using syntax, we are able to write the XPath. If I want to write a XPath for ID, if I want to write a XPath for ID double slash, the tag name is, just I need to go to here. See guys, this is the element, this related locator, name is there, title is there, class is there. Okay, what is the tag name? The tag name is the span. Okay, the tag name is the span. I will make a XPath for span @ ID is there, type is there, name is there, ID is not there. Okay, I will pick the name or title. Optional type is there. I will pick the type. See here, ID also you need to pick, name also you need to pick, title also you need to pick. Yeah, I will show you if you need any doubt. Okay, this XPath you need to go to copy, and here you need to provide. It is not highlighted. So, and we need to write one more thing here. See, 1 of 2 is highlighted. 1 of 2 is highlighted. Our expected single 1 of 1. So here 1 of 2 is highlighted. So we need to write huh? Yeah. I will do. Just I need to pick the title. Here you need to write title. See guys, 1 of 1. You can verify. We have a multiple options is there. Title is there, name is there, type is there, ID is there. You guys are pick anything. For example, one of two is match. You can pick another one. That one also one of two is match. You can pick another one. That one also one two is picks or two is match. You can pick another one. See, finally everything is two is match. The time how to do that one, I will tell you. Okay. See here, how many match here? One of two. So I will put the brackets here. What is the first one? This is the first. 1 minute. This is first. This is second. So here you need to provide second. It is highlighted or not? One of one or not? It is clear or not? If you guys are able to write a X path, any type of application you guys are able to handle. Any type you guys are able to handle. You guys are experts in XPath. You guys are able to make any type of application you guys are able to automate. So how you guys are able to write the XPaths? When you guys are practicing a number of times, then you are able to write a XPath. The XPaths, for XPaths, we need to practice number of times. Without practice, you people are unable to understand the XPath. Okay, clear? For example, first one, it is not highlighted one of one. It is highlighted one of two. So what I did here, I closed the brackets here. Which one is highlighted? My expected element is the second one. So I provided second one within the square brackets. When I provide the second option within the square bracket, it is highlighted. Okay, clear? Span is the tag name. The span is the tag name. Is it clear? The span is the tag name. And the next one, inside of the, this is the tag is the span is the parent. And the child also is there. What is that one? Button. Button also child. You need to pick the button. And after that, what is the attribute? Type. What is the attribute value? Button. So I will pick that one. And without this one, without second, it will be highlighted two, but I am expecting only one, my expected element. I close complete XPath. Finally, which is highlighted? Second one. I provided second one. Clear? Okay. See, if you want to write a XPath for ID, if you want to write a XPath for any element, tell me one application. I will do any type of XPath. You guys are tell me. For example, I will do US Army. Yeah, US Army. I want to click on the menu. Example. Yeah, not only US Army. Any application, tell me. I will automate. For example, I want to click on menu. Okay. Right click on here, inspect. See, this type of application don't automate. Okay, this type of application don't automate. See guys, here role is there and link is there. Okay, I will try to do the link. What is the tag name? Huh? Yes, very good. Anchor tag. A is the anchor tag. Okay, see, I will provide a at the rate. Just I will try link text. Just I will try link text. equals to this is not highlighted, so I need to remove this one. Second one, it is easy. It is we are able to write by using this one. It is easy, but I need to do different one. Okay, I will take the button roll at the rate roll. Okay, two highlighted menu and the search is highlighted. So you know guys how to handle this one. You know how to this handle this one. I will do one more thing. I need to change at the rate class clear. It is highlighted. This is for class. This is for class. Everything I will explain. Okay, export all types, but you guys are practice. Practice is important. Practice means you no need to practice what I did here. You need to write a different XPath in different location. Yeah. See guys, you can say me one more thing, any application I will do. For example, this one I need to do, create. Huh? How to find? Yeah, this is the tag name, span. Span is the tag name. Okay, button is the tag name. Whatever you appear here, these are all tag name. Div is the tag name. Yeah, these are all tag names. Div is the parent, button is the child. If I want to close extend, the button is include div. If I want to extend div, the button will be reflected. Yeah, that is XPath for syntax. See this one, tag name attribute. If you want to write a tag name is one locator. Locator, tag name locator. If you want to write a XPath for tag name, okay. See, tag name it is working, you can take. Tag name is not working, you need to write the XPath. See, here, input here, whatever you provided input here. So, based on this maximum tag name, it is working independent. I will show you. Tag name also I will show you. What I provided every XPath 8 locators is there. 8 locators I will show you. Is it clear? 8 locators I will show you. Attribute is the locator name. For example, ID is there. Basically, why we need to call the attribute here? Only 8 locators is there. ID name like that. So everything we are able to take. Type also we are able to take. And title also we are able to take. Arial also we are able to take. Placeholder also we are able to take. So everything we are unable to call the locator. So that's why we call it attribute. That is the syntax of the XPath. That is the syntax of the XPath. Yeah. See guys, I will write a XPath for the create. See, button is there, ID is there. Yeah, I will make a XPath. The parent is the, what is the parent? The div is the parent. Button is the child. At the rate, what is the idea? ID. Okay. I will provide here data. See, it is highlighted. Anything you guys are tell me, any type of application I will automate. Yeah, this is not working. I will write a different way. I will write different way. So this is for ID. This is for ID. Okay. And how to write the XPath for text? Slash. Okay. Dashboard or Jira. You can extend. This is the link. And here, so here Arial label is there. Jira, span, Jira. So 2 is highlighted. 2 is highlighted. See, first one is highlighted. Now we need to take this one, not highlighted. So close. You need to pick first one. It is highlighted. It is high. See here, any locator is there? Here, any locator is there? Out of 8, any is there? Anyone is there here? No. Style locator. నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు. Yeah, this one class. Here number is there. So dynamically will be changed. We no need to pick that one. I said starting. If it is number is there, if it is iPhone is there, anything, you no need to pick that locator. So you no need to take this one. This is the highlighted. This is for Arial label. This is the Arial label. The next one, listen. Text. If I want to write the XPath for text, how you guys are able to write the XPath for text? See, I need to write the XPath for text. Span text. Oh, I forget. You no need to provide at the rate only for text. Is it clear? You no need to provide at the rate only for text. Is it clear? How you guys are able to find the text? How you guys are able to find the text? For example, see here, this is the locator. The text, how you guys are able to recognize this is the text, like this is the module, this is not a module, like that. This is the text, this is not a text. How you guys are able to recognize? Huh? The text is always in black letters. While inspecting the any element, the text is always, it should be displayed black letters. That is the good identification for text. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. This is the XPath for text. Okay. Is it clear? Text is not working. Locators, anything is not working. We have a different locators is there. Everything is not working. The time what we need to do? Okay. So my expected here, first name I need to enter. First name I need to enter. So in this first name, I am unable to find out. Listen carefully. The first name, I am unable to find out the locator. Okay. I am unable to find out the locator. Actually, pressure level, this is not required. If you guys are learn, it is okay. Fine. Okay. Following the X path, following X path. What is the following? For example, following means opposite ourselves or back. Huh? Back. Following. You can follow someone. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. You can follow someone. Okay. That is following. So, see, you guys are observed here. This is the name, first name. I need to inspect the first name. How to write the XPath for following? First name is there. What is this one? Which locator? What is that one? I heard two answers, right answers. Yes, correct. No, first that is correct. Yes. Text is there. First name. Just I need to pick that one. Control F. Label, tag name, text. Within the brackets, we need to close. But one is highlighted first name. Text is highlighted, but that is not my expected. Text is highlighted, but that is not my expected. What is my expected? I want to enter first name data, input box data. So I need to enter that one. In this time, what I need to do? I need to write following, following, colon, 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 following, colon, colon. Put the cursor here. What is the tag name? Tag name, input. Put the bracket. No. Input. How many elements is highlighted? How many elements is highlighted? 15 elements is highlighted. Same XPath, 15 elements is highlighted. So now at the rate name equals to name. Total how many elements is highlighted? 3. 15 to 3. Okay. See, this is not our expected. This is our expected. Okay. Is it clear? I know your situation. Label is the tag name. Clear? Text is the first name text. I need to pick the first name text. Is it clear? And here I need to close first name. This is the text. This is the first name. See, first name. Okay. And after that, what I did, I need to close this one. What I need to do, following. Okay, our expected element following first name text, our expected element following first name text. So this is following, this is following which one, this one. Okay, see, in now it is clear. Boy, girl, now is clear. Okay, this is, this is our expected, this is following. Okay, you people are able to understand, that's why I explain like that. Okay, you guys are doing sounds. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Now it is clear. So that is we call following. Now that is we call following. Our expected, our target this one, our target this one. Guys, if you are unable to understand, ask me. Don't discuss here. Okay, ask me, I will explain number of times. Okay, yeah, this is expected target, this is the target, and this is the following. This is the target, this is the following. See, name is one person, first name will follow the name, first name will follow the name. Is it clear or not? Without following, uh-huh, that is I am telling, listen carefully. What is my target? What is my target? This is my target, not this one, not first name text. My target is the input box. My target is not a text. My target is the input box. Clear now? So, without this one, actually, this is not a proper way. Yeah, I will show you. Is it possible without following? So, what is my target here? My target is a input box. See, my target is input box, not a text. Not a text. Okay. See, input is a person who following, first name is following. That is the, okay, clear now? Yes. If you want to do the following, same syntax, you can follow. If you want to do the following, you guys are able to write same syntax. You don't need to change anything. Okay. Mm-hmm. This one, what is this one? Last name. This is inside of the label. Okay. So, label takes last name is highlighted. This is not our expected. This is following. See, we are following input box. Okay. I am following input box. Okay. I am, my friend, input box is there. My name is the last name. I need to follow input box. My name is the last name. So, not, this is not my target. This is my target. Now, name is there, input is there. So, here, following colon colon input. Now, 1 of 14 is highlighted. So, here I will take the type equals to 10. 1 of 4 is highlighted. So, I think this is the first one. Clear? Clear or not? Not clear. I got a sound. Is it clear or not? Not three, it's one. So this is one more following. Ah, one. Why I need to write a one here? Total how many elements is highlighted? Four element. Our expected element is the first one. See, one, two, three, four. First one is your expected element. So you need to provide first. Clear? Okay, done. How to write the XPath for preceding? How to write the XPath for preceding? Following is completed. Okay, while writing the bank exams, preceding followings, mostly you people are able to get bank exams, IPPS, preceding and followings. Okay. See here preceding. How you guys are able to write the preceding? Maria Andres is the name. Maria Andres preceding, one checkbox is there. Okay. My expected, I want to select the checkbox. I want to select the checkbox. So I am unable to select the checkbox directly. I need to take the preceding XPath. First, I need to take the Maria Andres, and after that, I need to click on the checkbox. That is the process. Right click, inspect. This is the Maria Andres. Now you guys are right here. What is the tag name? Okay, TD. And you guys are able to write text. And you guys are provide. It is highlighted or not? It is highlighted or not? That is correct or not? Tell me. I think you don't have an idea. No problem. Okay. So that is not a correct. It is very, 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 very important in XPath. If you want to write a XPath, first of all, they will ask first question this XPath. Okay. It is very important. You guys are, if you guys are able to handle this type of XPath, you people are able to write any type of XPath also. Okay. This is not a proper way. Listen carefully. This is, what is this one? What is this one? Huh? Table. Clear? Table. Very good. This is the table. Control F. Table. It is highlighted or not? Okay. So inside of the table, we provided data. Where you guys are provided? Huh? Inside of the table, you guys are provided data. Where you guys are provided? You guys are provided table body. Table body. Inside of the body, my expected Maria Andres is there. Which row? Maria Andres is there. Which row? First row. You guys are expecting first row, correct? I am expecting second row. I am expecting first row. I am expecting first row. You guys are expecting second row? First or second? Confirm? Okay. If you want to provide a row in XPath level, we need to provide the TR. TR. Okay, TR table row. Okay. What is the column TC na? Huh? Yeah. TR represent table row. Okay. See, what is our expected? Second one, we are expected. It's clear? It is clear? Done. The next one, Mario Andres is there. Which column? Second? First column or second column? Second column. So, I am expecting what we are expecting? TC? Okay. We are expecting TD. Okay. Table data. See, which one? Second one. Second one. Or else you need to provide at the rate text equals to Maria Andres. Okay. It is TD2. TD2. So, how many is highlighted? Huh? 3 is highlighted. Now, text equals to single code Maria Andres. This is the process. This is permanent XPath, not a temporary XPath. Before you did TD, name, a text, Maria Andres, that is temporary XPath. This is permanent XPath. Is it clear or not? It is clear? It is clear or not? But this is not my target. What is my target? Checkbox. My target is the checkbox. So, any spelling mistake that is not execute. Okay. Any spelling is mistake that is not execute. W na preceding, PRECEDING, PREE, okay, CEE, yes, నేను మర్చిపోయేటట్టున్నాను. క్లియరా నవ్వు? నవ్వు clear. Okay, done. Preceding input. So, how many elements is highlighted? 7 elements. So, what is our expected here? See, seventh one, our expected. Let's see here. So, that is also is not highlighted. And go to table. This is the TD and input. TD and input. So, you guys are provide colon TD. Clear? It is clear or not? Clear or not? Now I will provide, if you want to provide anything here, TD input, input, preceding input. You guys are provide. Maria Andres is changed. See table. Okay. Table and T body, TR2, TD. What happened? Before it is working. Table, T body, TR2, TD2, 3. And text, brackets within the single code, and race. Clear now? Okay. Now preceding colon colon input colon colon input. Okay. So I need to verify there is no input. TD is there. So TD, that is highlighted. If you want to write it clearly, you need to extend and type. You guys are able to write and input TD and TD slash input only checkbox. See, only checkbox. Is it clear? So everything is possible. If you do any mistake, spelling mistake following or preceding, the XPath is not executed. Okay. This type of XPath is the constant. Okay. After 3, 4, 10 years also application backend is not changed. That will be constant. The application backend is change. Automatically front end also change. Clear? Okay. Done. This is the XPath. How to write the XPath in different ways. You're able to understand? Any doubt? It is clear, everybody? It is clear? Yeah. The next one, CSS selector. CSS selector. Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, ask me. Definitely, I will answer. What is your doubt? No? CSS selector. For example, you guys are trying to write XPath for ID, for name, for class. It is not working. The time you need to use CSS selector. For ID, you need to use hash symbol. For class, you need to use dot. Okay. Now I need to write XPath for attribute and value. I need to write XPath for attribute and value. I need to write XPath for tag name, attribute, attribute. So first one by one, I will show you how to write the CSS selector, not XPath guys, CSS selector for ID. So we need to take complete Selenium depends on the XPath Nawaj. If you want to send a data, you need to get the XPath. After that, you can send a data. Complete Selenium. Okay. See, guys, this is the login. This is the login page. Okay. This is the login page. I need to enter the username and password. I need to enter the username and password. So here I will pick username and password. So Control F. You guys are observe here. ID is there, class is there, name is there. Just I need to pick the ID slash clear. Okay. This is the XPath for ID. See, this is the CSS selector for ID, not XPath. And if you want to take the class, just you need to pick here just partial. Okay. So one of one is highlighted. You no need to put the one or two. Okay. One of two, one of three, one of four is highlighted in CSS. You no need to put one of like a XPath. Okay. So, and one more text is there or not in password, you need to verify. Okay. See, I will make it here. Attribute with value. Attribute with value. Is it clear or not? One of one is highlighted. one of one is highlighted. Okay, so this is the attribute and value. Next one, tag name. Next one, tag name. Just you need to put tag name with the attribute value. Okay, just you need to put tag name, attribute and value. Tag name, no need to provide any slashes or anything. Okay, directly you can write. See, it is highlighted or not? Okay, so if I want to click on the login button, ID is there, login is there. So just I copy bracket equals, it is highlighted or not? Directly you can pick. CSS selector, directly you can pick. This is the process. Class. I will pick the partial text. Here dot input dot tag name. 1 minute dot ID, not ID. Yeah, link text. Partial text, not link text. Partial. Okay, for class. Partial text. If it is not working, you can pick second one. We have a multiple options is there. Directly we have a multiple options is there. You can pick any one. This is we call CSS selector. Tag name is pending. One tag name is pending. That one I will show you. The tag name is out of locators. Tag name is pending. That one I will show you. Now it is clear. You guys are able to understand this one, CSS selector. If you want to pick the CSS selector for ID, we need to use hash. If you want to provide partial, not link text, partial text for class, we need to provide dot. Directly we are able to pick attribute and value. If you want to pick attribute and value, both we need to provide within the brackets, square brackets. Is it clear? Next one, we are able to pick the tag name and attribute, tag name and attribute or class name also. See, this is the, okay, you guys are observe input, done input. What is the partial text? This is the partial text. Copy dot partial text. We are able to write like this. Okay, input. Yeah. That is I am telling. If you guys are pick not only this one, if you guys are pick this one, okay. See, copy, provide. Nothing is highlighted. So partial text you need to pick. That is one of one. Okay, fine. one of two. Okay, same CSS it will be applicable to element. So you need to pick ID, you need to pick attribute or name. We have a different is there, you need to pick different things. It is clear or not? This one also we are able to write. What is this one here? Tag name and attribute, this is value. Okay, tag name, attribute and value. This is only tag name, attribute. Attribute is the class. Attribute is the class. Now it is clear. Clear. Practice. So for ID hash, for class dot, and if you want to pick the tag name and attribute, tag name class attribute class dot class, tag name attribute ID, tag name input hash ID you can provide. Like, yeah, ID also I will show you. Hash class name, uh, 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 just I need to remove. Type is there, class is there, and username. Before we did something here. So here we are able to provide input. Input also we are able to provide tag name. You guys are able to understand or not? Not, there is no active mode. Is it clear offline, guys? Input, what is the input? Tag name. What is the email? ID. Hash is there, ID. Dot is there, class. Okay? It is clear or not? Which ID, which type of symbol we are able to use in CSS selector? And class partial text dot. Okay? This is the process for CSS selector and XPath. You guys are write down XPath in Selenium. XPath in Selenium. Yeah. There are a two types of XPaths. There are a two types of XPaths. Okay. First one, absolute, and second one, relative. Relative or relative? Relative or relative? Anything your wish. Relative or relative? Okay. Yeah. Put the heading absolute. If we want to write a x path for absolute, if we want to write a x path for absolute, we need to take from root. We need to take from root. Okay, we need to take from root. Full stop. This is happened. This is happened when we are unable to find the dynamic element. This is happened when we are unable to find the dynamic element. Okay, when we are unable to find the dynamic element. For this, for this, we need to use single slash within the double code. You guys are provide single slash. For this, we need to use single slash. Okay, yeah. Next one, relative x path or relative x path. Relative x path. The relative x path is represent. The relative x path is represent. The relative x path is represent to a specific element. The relative x path is represent to a specific element. Specific element. For this, for this, we need to use double slash. Within the double code, you need to provide double slash. For this, we need to use double slash. Okay. Next one. We are able to write the x paths for different types of. We are able to write the x paths for different types of attributes. For different types of attribute. Put the heading syntax of the x path. Syntax of the x path. Okay, write down on the board double slash tag name attribute. You guys are write down. And you guys are take the screenshot for x path. Everything. All x paths you need to write in your notes, guys. Done now? Yeah. Put the note. Put the note. If we are unable to find any x path, if we are unable to find any element related x path, if we are unable to find any element related x path, if we are unable to find any element related x path, we need to write preceding or following x path. We need to write preceding or following x path. Is it clear? Clear or not? Put the heading CSS selector. CSS selector. If you want to write a, if we want to write a CSS selector for ID, if we want to write CSS selector for ID, if we want to write a CSS selector for ID, we need to use hash symbol. Okay, we need to use hash symbol. Okay, example hash value. You are able to understand? ID having some value. So ID, you need to provide hash. See on the board, hash. This is the value. Okay, this is the value. Next line. If you want to write a CSS selector for class, if we want to write a CSS selector for class, we need to take the class partial text. We need to take the class partial text. Example, we need to take the class partial text. Example dot partial text. Dot partial text. Okay. Yeah. Next line, one by one. We are able to write the CSS selector. We are able to write the CSS selector for attribute and value. We are able to write the CSS selector for attribute and value. For attribute and value. Okay. Example square brackets type equal to password. Type is the attribute, password is the value. You guys are put it. Type is the attribute, password is the value. Clear, huh? Everybody? Yeah. Next one. We are able to write the CSS selector. We are able to write the CSS selector combination of, we are able to write the CSS selector combination of tag name, attribute and value. Tag name, attribute and value. Tag name, attribute and value. Write down. Input to square bracket type password. Input to, see guys on the screen, this one. It is clear? Okay. Next one. We are able to write CSS selector. We are able to write CSS selector tag name and attribute. Tag name. We are able to write CSS selector tag name and attribute. Tag name and attribute. Last one. First one is the class. Second one is the, what is that one? We are able to write the CSS selector for tag name and attribute. For tag name and attribute. Input is the tag name, dot is the class. Input is the tag name, hash is the ID. It is clear, huh? Everybody? So, CSS selector and tag name, sorry, CSS selector and XPath is completed. From tomorrow onwards, I will use the complete XPath. I no need to write hard code for ID name like that. Everything I will make. Oh, node. XPath one node missing. XPath one node is missing. Write down. We need to provide at the rate for every attribute. We need to provide at the rate for every attribute without text. Okay, clear now? At the rate, we are able to provide every attribute, but without a text. Don't forget this one, guys. Okay, if you want to write a text XPath, you no need to provide the at the rate. Okay, without text, you need to write, you need to provide at the rate. But how you guys are identify the text? The text is always block letters. The text is always block letters. Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Online, do you have any doubt? If you have a doubt, you guys stay here. The session is done. Uh, uh, Inspect. అప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి ల్యాప్‌టాప్ తీసుకురండి. చూస్తాను. ల్యాప్‌టాప్ తీసుకురండి. Yeah, we have 1 minute, guys. Tomorrow class. Guys, tomorrow class I will intimate in Google Classroom. Before coming to the session, you guys are verify the Google Classroom. Okay? You guys are verifying Google Classroom. I forget that one. Actually, 11 o'clock batch is not there today or tomorrow. So, before coming to the session online and offline, before joining, you guys are verify the Google Classroom. Okay? I will send a text in Google Classroom. Is it clear? Okay, done. Thank you. If you want to take absolute expert from, you need to take from root. Root means from HTML. HTML like this. You need to provide HTML. Okay. What is the next one? Slash. Okay. What is the next tab? The next tab is the script. Okay. You need to write a script. You need to write a script that is not highlighted. So you need to pick one more thing. Script already it is not working. See, if you want to write the absolute XPath, okay, 3-4 lines you need to write. So we are unable to pick the absolute XPath. From root we need to take. Root means from HTML. Okay? Yeah. Sorry? Multiple? Yeah, and I will show you tomorrow session. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will show you. Anything? End of the day I will inform. నాకు రేపు యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ వర్క్ టుమారో. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. You guys are also you were before join the session. You need to verify in Google Classroom.